Hello and welcome back everyone to my new video regarding day-to-day MS Excel. Basically, it's not about Excel. You can ask me any questions about day-to-day using a system when you can deliver to clients or deliver to a team. So I'll try to help you with any kind of possible outcomes if I can. So it's not about Excel, it's about anything. If you want to ask, if I have the knowledge, I'll share with you guys. So this video, this tutorial is basically using the most popular and useful shortcuts for MS Excel. So let me start by saying this is a dummy table that I just created, and maybe you start. Let's start with a bordering. So Alt H B A. It's what we learned before in the previous video. So I use that shortcut key to give it an entire border. So highlight, let's select the heading and highlight with Control B. So that will give you bold. And again, selecting that, you can select Control U. That will give you underline, and Control I for italics. And you can switch it off with the same shortcut key. Okay, so auto serial number I have showed you before, auto sum I have showed you before. So some famous shortcut keys for maybe without using the mouse or the touchpad, what I prefer most, as I said in the previous video. So this is where you can actually edit a selected cell by clicking on it. That function will give you in the keyboard by clicking on F2. So if you just hit F2 and you are in the cell, you can edit the number, the value inside it, and hit enter. It will take. Then F4 is the repeat last video. Last edit. That is F4. If you are selected, F4. And then Alt, as I already told you, that Alt is a library. We call it ribbon. Alt is the ribbon. Alt plus is the sum of the selected cell. Like if you want like this, Alt plus. That is also a way of inserting the AutoSum function. And Alt enter. That is, I have struggled with this many times until I found it, the Alt enter function. So suppose you are writing something like inventory 1, and now you have to write something inside it, but one step down. That is enter. So you will just hit Alt enter. It will take you to the next cell. It is like inventory 2. See, it's taking automatically the wrap text function. Wrap text is nothing but it's a long, how to insert the long text into one select text. How do you show it? So if I put it wrap text and stretch it a bit, I'll show you how it's done. So again, selecting F2 and Alt enter, I can go to the next line in the same cell. Okay. Now page up, page down with in the selected, like if you are on a spreadsheet, you need to go to next worksheet, like page control page up, page down will take you the next, and control page up will back. So everything you can do it by the click, but I'll insist use on the keyboard itself because it's much more time saving. It's more efficient that way. You'll be more productive that way. Control space, I have already showed that select the entire row. Shift space is also now we'll do the trick. Control space is for selecting the entire row, sorry, the column. The row is for space. Control shift space. And if you want to select, this is a very good shortcut key. If you want to select the entire thing, entire table, like you have to select like a shift right navigation key, then you have to select down, then you will select. But if you go with one go, like control shift space, that will give you the active cell selection. So that is one very useful. Control A is also gonna do that. So that is another way than a walk around to do that. Control F, as we all know, that's the find. Control H is for find what and replace with what. And with that comes the shortcut keys. Um, there are many shortcut keys. I'll show you later on some other videos. I will not keep it as stringent as this is the video for shortcut keys and stuff, but I will try to create any walk around, and whichever comes with the shortcut keys I'll show you then and there. Okay, now let me show you something called the selection. And if you hit alt, N is for insert, V is for pivot table, and enter. So this will give you a pivot table in a new worksheet. Now if you want to see the value, you know maybe the maybe the serial number here, like how many is in the value. So that will give you, 1 is the sum of value is 81. So this is the one. So you can also select like this. Yeah. So this is one way to do it. You will not get it exactly the user pivot table, but I just showed you how to do it. Now I will show you later on in some other videos like how we will use it. Actually, we'll put it in use. Okay, let's delete the pivot for now. That's about all the shortcut keys I have for right now. Or you can just play with the alt ribbon, like this is the format I have used. Maybe you want to copy it all the way down, like alt HFP. You are selected, you have copied the format of the A1 cell, and like control shift down arrow, this paste it all the way down. That is one. Then you can put a common conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is something you can highlight the cell with a selected value. So for that, you need to select the entire data, Alt, H, L. Now comes the highlight cell rule part, like where you can give like something is greater than 50 will have green here. Okay, so you can see anything greater than 50 is all automatically showing in green. That's a way to do the conditional formatting. Well, that's it for now. This video, I'll upload something new very soon with some more helps. Till then, bye.